Having a good credit score is essential for many financial goals, such as buying a car, getting a mortgage, or even applying for certain jobs. In Ontario, knowing what constitutes as a good credit score can help you reach these goals sooner and with more security. The credit score is based on a statistical analysis of your credit report, which is created by the two major credit bureaus in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. The score ranges from 300 to 900. According to Equifax, a good credit score is usually between 660 to 724. If your credit score is between 725 to 759, it's likely to be considered very good. A credit score of 760 and above is generally considered to be an excellent credit score. Higher credit scores means you'll have better options when applying for a loan or mortgage and may include lower interest rate offered by the lenders and banks. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here, and thanks for watching.